Looking to improve the meta title and description for your website? Well, let's learn that today. The rest of the video is going to be applicable to everyone, even if you are not based on WordPress. For starters, if you are based on WordPress, I would recommend you to go ahead and install a plugin. Yoast SEO is something that I prefer and I already have it set up. I'm going to still show you the steps that you can do to install it for your WordPress website. On WordPress, you can simply head over to plugins and search for Yoast SEO. A simple click should go ahead and install and activate it for you. Now, once the plugin is installed, so a site title, or rather a meta title and description, is applicable to all pages and all blog posts. What it does is, the first thing that you see on a SERP page, say for example, you go to Google and you search for technology website. So what you see, the hyperlink at the top, that is the title, and the tiny snippet of text that you see underneath is the meta description. Now this is very, very important for websites because one, it helps search engines understand what the article or what the page is all about. Alternatively, for people who are searching for a particular keyword, they also get a fair idea of what they are going to get when they click the link. So first, I'm going to show you how to do it for a blog post. So on WordPress, for example, I have this blog post ready with me on harnessing the power of social media in business. So since we've installed the plugin, as you scroll down to the Yoast section, you'll see that it gives me a tiny snippet of what it would look like, what this particular page would look like on Google search. So when you look at my page, as you can see, I don't have a meta description at this point and it only has the title. It's not something that you're going to properly click because the meta description reassures someone who's looking for the link that, hey, this is the content that I've been looking for. So we're going to go ahead and optimize it. Now by default, Yoast will give you this format, which is the title of your post, a separator, and your site title. Now this is not always ideal. It is ideal in some cases where, for example, if you are a very well-known brand, the site title does add that confidence. It kind of reassures someone who's looking for it that, hey, this brand is known in this particular area or this particular keyword that I'm searching for. So that gives them more confidence to go ahead and click that link. So, if I were to optimize this page for, say, the power of social media for businesses in business, I'm going to go ahead and use this particular strategy. So before I go ahead and change the title and add a description, this is what my title currently looks like on Google search. It's harnessing the power of social media in business - quirky coconut. Not all that great. It's the default parameter that Yoast adds, so I'll remove that. So social media is my main keyword here, so I'll add it towards the start, and this is what I've gone with: social media and its power in growing your business. So as you can see, social media is my main keyword here. The other keywords that I'm also targeting is highlighting the power of social media and the effect of it, which is growing your business. So what adding this SEO title does is, someone who's looking for growing business using social media on Google, this will pop up, and this SEO title is going to suggest them that, hey, this article talks about using social media specifically and the capability of social media to grow your business. So it's going to align more with people who are looking for the article I've written. Yoast also has a tiny bar at the bottom which says if your title that you've just put in is over the limit or under it. Green is where it's just about right. You should not have very, very short titles or something that's overly long, and Google will truncate it. Now onto the meta description. So meta description is something that readers will see on the SERP page, which gives them a better idea about the article. So this needs to be crafted in such a way that you're helping the user understand the problem that they are facing and give them a gist of the solution that you're offering in this article. So I'm going to go ahead and write my meta description. So just like the SEO title, your meta description also has a tiny bar at the bottom that yours provides. This ensures that your meta description isn't too long and isn't short either. It just needs to be apt. And at the top, you can see what this page would look like on SERP. Social media and its power in growing your business. And the meta description reads, leverage social media platforms to grow your business. Reach out to a wider audience, grow your community, and drive business. So of course, this is something I've come up with right now. You can fine tune it, refine it, have keywords or secondary keywords that people are also searching for in your title and meta description. This is going to help you increase the chances of getting clicks for your page. Another good idea is also to try A/B testing. For example, you can have this version of the SEO title and the meta description on the page for say about 2 months, and then you can go ahead, tweak it and see what impact it has. Does it improve your search? Does it improve your traffic, or does it not affect at all? So having this approach of trial and error will help you find the best combination that brings in the kind of audience you want for your blog. Now with the SEO title and description sorted, the slug is another thing you should pay attention to. A clean slug is something you can see on the SERP page as well, and it just gives readers that much more confidence that the page is exactly related to what they're searching for. So my current slug is harnessing the power of social media in business. Let's change it and optimize it. So I've gone ahead and changed the slug to social media to grow your business. As you can see in the preview as well, it's visible and is that much more reassuring. So while you're optimizing for your site title and description, don't forget to add a focus keyword in Yoast. So for me, it's social media. You can also add other related key phrases here. And that's about it. I'm going to go ahead, update it. So now that I've updated this post, a blog post is done. How do you change SEO titles and descriptions for pages? Let's do that as well. So on WordPress, you can head over to pages. The pages can be a collection of multiple posts. So having the right title and meta description for pages is that much more important. Go to blog, which is a page for all the posts that I put up on the site. As you can see, it's not optimized. Again, it only says blog Quirky Coconut. That's about it. As you can see, it's fairly basic, does not say much over here. Even yours says it's not ideal. There's no meta description here again. Now this is not a good practice, so you should keep auditing your pages as well to ensure that your title is on point and meta descriptions are available. Like I said, for meta descriptions on posts, you can also go ahead and A/B test different ones for pages as well. So I'll change this. Instead of reading blog Quirky Coconut, see, it looks much better than blog Quirky Coconut. The slug, again, let's optimize it to just blog if you want it. And a meta description, again, you need it to be on a page level, not a post level. So I'll have something on the lines of, as you can see, I've added a meta description as well, and it's much better than what it was before. Again, for pages as well, I would recommend A/B testing both the SEO title and meta description. It's a good practice. You can go ahead, update it. And yes, we've learned how to change SEO title and meta description for pages and posts today. I hope this helps.